This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2600RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, sleep 6, stove top burner, Colorado Detector, slideout, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, LP detector, spare tire kit, microwave, TV, awning, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 2600RB is 5,795 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.